Coconut, Banana, and Mr. Black walk into a bar. They find their friend Orange, saving them a seat. We don't have an ending to this classic joke, but these ingredients that don't usually go together ended up having a good time in this cocktail. My name is Carl and welcome to Alchemix, where we'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. This is the 6th week of the Mr. Black Coffee Cocktail Challenge. Steve the bartender and Mr. Black have teamed up for an 8-week cocktail competition. The challenge is using Mr. Black cold brew coffee liqueur to make a delicious cocktail. I decided to create a drink using a couple of different techniques I've never tried: fat washing and making a banana puree. Fat washing is the technique of infusing an oil or fat into a liqueur. If done correctly, fat washing can enhance the spirit's flavor even more than just placing fruit or herbs in the alcohol. I decided to use coconut oil as the fat and Mr. Black as the spirit. I've had some nice coconut coffees in the past and thought this would be the right flavor combination to try for this challenge. After 24 hours of infusion, I sampled my coconut infused Mr. Black and it was perfect. The coconut and coffee flavors match perfectly without dominating each other. So what do I make with this coconut coffee liqueur? I knew rum would pair well, so I decided to use a split base for this, using Bacardi white rum and Bacardi Reserva Ocha. Now to sweeten the drink, I decided what I wanted to use pretty quickly, but I had to figure out how to do it. I used to make a dessert with bananas, brown sugar, and coconut when Riley and I started dating. Bananas seemed like the perfect sweetener since Reserva Ocha already had a caramel taste of the brown sugar in that dessert. So I tried making a banana puree with my usual technique. That didn't work. Then I searched and found a few recipes for banana syrups and purees, but they weren't quite right either. Then I remembered a process I had seen where fruit and sugar are added to a ziplock bag and it creates a syrup. So I added 4 bananas to a ziplock bag with a cup of sugar and waited. After 4 hours, I tasted it and it was exactly what I wanted. The only problem was that it was still grainy from the sugar. So I let the bag sit another 4 hours and tried it again. The sugar was dissolved entirely and I had a banana syrup. Since the cocktail's dominant flavors are tropical, I figured I'd lean into the tiki flavors and tie them together with some citrus. I added an orange twist into the shake to help get the orange oils into the entire cocktail without overpowering the more delicate banana and coconut flavors. Thanks for watching our recipe for coconut, banana, and Mr. Black walk into a bar. We would appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. Shake